What's going on, guys? Today I have a very big package, as you can see right here. I got this from an Instagram, I think. So I got my knife. I'm gonna start opening it because yeah, it's probably gonna take me a little bit of time. Just hope I didn't cut anything. It'd been pretty bad if I did. Oh, I think I did cut something. Oops. Okay, so this is a squishy package. If I didn't mention, scissors. I got scissors and a knife. Just destroying the box. Okay, so I ordered a lot of things. Get rid of that bit. Get rid of this bit as well. Okay, so here's the stuff I ordered. So I got my OPs, that's the cutie financer, more OPs, which I need to put down here. The melty toast, the ivory melty toast. I'll link down below who I got this from. What are those things called? I can't remember what these packagings are called. A Mount Fuji Cloud Bear, another one of these, another one of them. I Bloom at Chigiri, Minnie the Whale, another one of them. A cutie chow cream, another one of these, a Mount Fuji and Cloud Bear, Chigiri bread, Minnie the Whale, sash totties, more cutie finances and Mount Fuji. They're not saying it. I've been character. Another one of these. Another cutie chow cream. Another one of these. A sash torty with a cutie chow cream on it as well. So I'm just gonna reach and see. Okay, so I got this squishy, the Sasha Torty. It's so slow rising. All these squishies have minor defects and no defects, so yeah. And I got this one, which is super soft and slow rising. I got this one, which I have already. So I'm probably going to sell this one, perhaps, maybe. So these are all the sash torties that I got. I think that's how you pronounce it. Probably not, but oh well. Okay, then I got this lollipop stick. Go. Still isn't. These 3 cutie finances. got the purple one, brown one, and this blue one. Sorry for background noises, by the way. So then I got these grapes. Got the pink one. And I got this brown one. Wow, it's like red. That's fine. But that's super adorable. I got my melty toast, which is slow raisin. Look how slow raisin that is, guys. It smells really good as well. I got so many chigiris. Don't know what to go with next. I guess this one is chow cream. So soft, like really soft. And then I got this one. Slow raisin. And so if I seem like a little bit like down, I'm really tired. Yeah, I didn't get to sleep until like 1 or 2 a.m. so that's why. Got this chow cream. It's cute chow cream. Okay, and my first free Mount Fuji. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. Cloud squishies. So I got this pink one. Got this blue one that I just dropped. And I got this like galaxy one. I don't want to squish it too much because I don't want to defect them, you know. But anyway, moving on to the chigiris, I got this Shiba Inu, the pink one. I don't know, it slipped out my mind for a second then. We've got this pink one. And then we got this tan one, which I had this one, but the person that shipped it, I reserved it for this other person. So I gave that one to them. So this is my one now. And this is the pink one. And then we have the galaxy one. Got that one. And then this Marmo squishy chigiri. Squishy chigiri. Super cute. I don't want to squish them like too much. And then we got this Harajuku chigiri. And then got this green one of like these like mic pan, I think. Not mic pan. I don't know what they're called. I think they might be a mic pan. There we go. Then we got Millie the whale. Slow raisin. Smells really good as well. So that's that one. And I got this one. Just so soft. And slow raisin. We've got this other one. Super cute. And then we got this other one, which is like the other one, but this one has its eyes closed and this one's like got the eyes open. Super cute. Then I got this rainbow one. Then we got this cute cat one. And then we got the final ones. Got the lollipop one. This rainbow marmo chigiri. So raisin it is. And then we got the last one, which is another Minnie the Whale. It smells so slow raisin. And it smells like peaches, I think. Okay, that was it in this box. And I got everything that I wanted, and yeah, as you can see down here, move my feet out of the way. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon for the next video. Bye.